Hi everyone, Dr. McCann here. Welcome to topic 7. Congratulations, you've almost made it through your first doctoral course here at GCU. I wanted to take a few minutes and talk a bit about the week 7 assignment. Week 7, topic 7, module 7. As you've figured out by now, I use those three words interchangeably. But what I would like to do is just spend a few minutes giving you some guidelines and expectations for the enhanced synthesis paper on doctoral identity. I'm sure that you've had a chance to take a look at the syllabus. All of you who should have received feedback for your topic 5 assignment by this point. I tried to provide everyone guidance and opportunities for improvement. I still saw a lot of APA formatting errors in most of the papers. I saw some grammatical, language mechanics, and syntax errors in a lot of the papers. I think much of that is due to just a quick turnaround, because in this course you only have a few days to write a paper. And obviously we can't present something perfect in that short amount of time, but you try your best, like we all do. Just know that you need to continue to work on sharpening your editorial knife, ensuring that you produce the absolute best work that you can in the short amount of time that you're allotted each week in the courses that you have in this program. Granted, when you get to dissertation, you'll have much more time to do that. But now this is really a practice ground for you. APA it can be cumbersome, but it's very important. I've seen students be turned back because and held up at dissertation because they don't have that skill mastered. So please don't let that happen to you. Focus on the proper format, ensure that you have a very strong understanding of it, as well as synthesis. So this week, in week 7, what you will essentially do is provide an enhanced version of the paper that you submitted for Module 5. Now, one question I always get is, my gosh, will my Turnitin score be high? Yes, it will be probably higher than normal, simply because you're going to use the bulk of your previous paper as you draft this one. Literally all you're doing in the week 7 paper is integrating the changes that I requested that you make in your module 5. So ensure that you read the feedback, ensure that you make those changes, ensure that you demonstrate that you are improving in your writing. Also, if you look here, a reflection portion is required at the beginning of the topic 5 paper, or the topic 6 paper, so include that as well. That's an important component. The other thing that will be different, other than your integrating the changes that I suggested in the topic 5 feedback and including a reflection, will be the fact that you will build up on each theme. Some of you still use the word identity or doctoral identity or professional identity as a theme. That cannot be a theme. You cannot have a theme that has the word identity, because the entire topic of the paper itself is about identity. And so what you're identifying are themes relative to that overarching concept. So you cannot use the topic, the larger topic itself, as a theme, because that isn't in fact the topic, not a subcomponent of it. So what you will do, based on additional readings that you've done during this course, is include additional articles. So if you take a look here, you see the reflection is required, an introduction as usual. You will have to provide support for your themes, but you will do that by adding 2 more articles. So keep the 3 articles that you had from before, but now you will select 2 additional articles from the syllabus reading. The articles could come from the topic 7 work, the articles could come from your topic 6 work, any 2 articles. Just ensure that you are able to use those articles to provide support for the theme. And also, I provided to you a template Well, it's actually in the syllabus. You can use this particular template. If you click on it, save it, open it up, you will see that it's pre-formatted in template guidelines, and you should use that, literally type directly on it, or of course you can use your previous one as well and just add those aspects like the reflection piece and integrate the other two articles. Okay, and again, I want to go over very quickly, your Turnitin score for this might be higher simply because you are submitting an enhanced version of the same paper, so don't be overly alarmed about that. If you do have any questions, please contact me and let me know. And one thing I'd like for you to do is reply after you watch this video. Simply reply and say, I viewed the video and am working on my week 7 assignment. That's all I'd like for you to do. And as always, if you have any questions, you can contact me in the individual forum if it's a personal question, or you can contact me in the questions for instructor forum if it's a larger question about an assignment component. And again, congratulations, you're almost finished with your intro class. I think that you'll all find that once you get finished with this class and you get into your content courses, that the material is just going to be so much more exciting. Really, the intention of this course is to kind of provide you an idea of what the rhythm will be like in your doctoral courses and introduce you to the differences associated with doctoral writing versus master's level writing or undergrad writing, because synthesis is quite different, as I'm sure you've realized, than, say, the rote analysis or the quoting that you most likely experienced in your undergrad and master's classes. And it is a work in progress, and you will continue to build on these skills, but they are critical, and synthesis is something that I urge you to continue working on, because in order to succeed, you will have to demonstrate a mastery of that. And as always, if you have questions, like I said, please let me know. And again, simply reply to this thread and say, I have viewed the video and I'm working on my assignment. Okay, everybody, thanks so much. And I hope you have a happy weekend, have happy reading and happy writing, and God bless.